What could be the best sales strategy for the seasonal product service? Let us have some beautiful glimpse of best sales strategy which we can follow for some of the seasonal products and services. AC, air cooler, raincoat, winter jackets, fruits and vegetables, summer clothes, swimsuits, decorative items, tourism service for summer-winter, purchase of automobiles during holy events, wedding clothes. 1. Tie-up with the dealer partners. Going for a tie-up strategy could be the best way during season for seasonal products. Resources can be planned in such a way to develop specified market. Make tie-up with dealer partners well in advance, at least 1 week before the season starts. It should include the value, volume, models, period and payment terms. Through market research and data analysis, select appropriate dealer, join hands with them if fully convinced with terms. Draft mutual agreement and take signature from both parties to make the deal valuable. Main advantage of having a tie-up during seasons apart from regular sales. A. Establishing new way of sales reach to increase volume. B. Addressing dealer and tapping his fullest strength and increase counter share. C. Specified promotion which saves money. D. It gives clear picture of the sales going to take place. Inventory and logistic arrangements made easy. E. Manpower requirement can be planned. F. Controlled cash flow. G. Possibility of nurturing key accounts for future expansion plan. H. Develop new market segment. 2. Schemes. Schemes for both the channel partner and end customer. Your channel partner needs to be well aware about the deal's importance and seriousness. Make him ready for grand sale event with his resources. From company side, you offer good schemes as FOC credit note method on primary. Focus on volume play, which you can minimize dealer from selling others. Concentrate particular models with particular dealers so the pricing disputes won't arise. No BBND to be encouraged, built but not delivered. This will affect schemes. Appoint in-shop demonstrators. For end customers, you can follow. Offer supplementary products as gift. If it's on zero billing, it reflects in sales also. Gift voucher attracting him for another purchase. Free delivery, free installations, free demo. Kiosk activity in front of shop places of public gathering. 3. Promotions. Best thing you do: online marketing ways, email marketing, SEO optimization, social media videos, content marketing, shorts and reels, product videos, demo videos, explainer videos, educational videos, customer testimonials, role-play videos, celebrity videos, shopping videos. 4. GTM strategy. Go-to-market strategy is the ever-anchor strong sales methodology. Meet every individual channel partners, dealers, service providers. Have regular follow-ups. Solve their issue on table. Provide the required support. Ensure the deal is happening with enthusiasm. 5. Communication. Involve the sales team in formulating the seasonal sales goal. Refer the AOP, monthly, quarterly and previous sales data. Through discussion and workshops, team members will know what is expected from them. 6. New model launch. Launching a new model or product during seasons creates vibe in market among dealer and end customer. Highlight the new and extra features in it. You will also have good cushion of margin since it's new product. Certain cases it will open up new market segment. 7. Competitors' activity. Keep eye on competitors, gather information in market, approach dealers in such a way. Explain and highlight about your insights and product specialty to dealers. Most of the time, emotions play a vital part in closing the deals. What a strong rapport you maintain with dealer will decide the magic. 8. New market segments. Identify new market segment. For example, inverter AC captured the market segment of people who likes to save energy. A FMCG company launched organic soaps to attract customers who are environmentally conscious. In both above cases, customer is ready to pay premium price. The strategy is to be structured in such a way, through continuous market research, analyzing trends and emerging customer behaviors. It always helps companies with opportunities to expand their reach and increase sales.